Hello, I am Julia Andrea Avila. I am 30 years old. I live in Soacha. I have lived in Soacha for all my life. I have grown up here. I study business administration. I have studied since 2019. I am married. I have been married for 30 years. I work in Agrosavia. I had worked there for 4 years. My job is about travel in agency. I have experience in this job since 2016. I like to watch films. I had watched of Marvel movies. I like to read books. I have read 20 extensive books. I have traveled to San Andrés, Cartagena, Bucaramanga, Mexico. Eh, thank you, teacher.